One of the most frequent questions that I get is, what are the main differentiators between our system and the competition? Let's discuss this, shall we? So I would say there are four main differentiators that sets our system apart from others, and those relate to number one, the ergonomics of the system, number two, the system design itself, number three, the material selection, and lastly, the ecosystem of accessories that we offer. The Mesclatore has been designed to be used by a single operator. The height and position of the various parts of the machine are critical in order to optimize efficiency and ease of use, which ultimately leads to increased user comfort and productivity. In our design, the tank is separate from the agitator. This simple feature allows the use of multiple tanks, which reduces agitator idle time and increases productivity and throughput. By adding more tanks, we can easily expand production capacity. System design features include extensive computational fluid dynamic modeling that resulted in an effective agitator design that greatly increases agitation and promotes trichome settling in the large false bottom of the tank. The tank bottom design by itself is impressive, promoting particle settling yet draining easily, which allows for continuous trichome removal. All this results in bigger yields and higher quality product, which translates to a better ROI. We use Simona PPH plastics to manufacture our tanks due to their insulating and food-safe properties. This material makes for easy cleaning as the trichomes will not melt or adhere to it. Additionally, plastics act as an effective insulator and enables the production of intricate geometric shapes such as a tank bottom, which facilitates both efficient draining and particle settling. A key feature of our design is its simplicity, which is achieved through the absence of unnecessary valves, moving parts, or electronics that could potentially break down. This helps reduce maintenance and downtime. One of the benefits of using the Mesclatore is that it comes with a range of components that can help you increase efficiency and expand your production capacity. These components include extra tanks, trichome safe pumps, vibratory sieves for continuous washing and trichome removal, ultrasonic transducers that enhance yields, and equipment like the electrostatic separator and vortice that can improve the quality of your hash. By utilizing these tools, you can optimize and streamline your process.